It's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. The classic Mercedes-Benz styling cues are in an athletic form that slices through the clutter of other cars. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, remote engine start smart device, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, 4-wheel drive, digital instrument gauges, and power heated mirrors. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,